Are you looking for a new portable charger, but don't know which one to choose because of the different options that are available? Well, in this video, we break down the top 3 portable chargers on the market this year, based on price versus performance, and situations they'll be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which portable charger will be best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so for the most up-to-date information, along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start with the Anker PowerCore Essential 20,000 mAh, our choice for best overall portable charger. At around $50, the Anker PowerCore Essential 20,000 mAh portable charger is one of the best overall portable chargers available at this price point, and lets you easily recharge your smartphone, tablet, or other devices while on the go, or when you don't have access to a power outlet. The PowerCore Essential measures 6.38 by 2.91 by 0.98 inches and weighs in at 12.2 ounces, so when you want to take it with you, it'll fit neatly into any bag or even into your pocket. The slim, lightweight design invokes a premium feel. Its sleek matte exterior and cool blue LED status indicator keep you informed on overall battery level, and you'll be able to charge a huge range of USB-C and USB devices through its dual ports. The massive 20,000 mAh capacity delivers more than 5.5 charges for iPhone XS, more than 4 full charges for the Samsung Galaxy S10, and over 2.5 charges for iPad mini 5. And you can even charge up to 2 devices at the same time. When the PowerCore Essential needs to refill its internal battery, you can refill it using a standard USB wall charger, or get the optional 18-watt wall charger that will juice your PowerCore Essential up in just 7 hours. For low-power devices like Bluetooth earphones and speakers, the PowerCore Essential features a multi-protect safety system where power is delivered in a safe and optimized manner through current regulation, temperature control, high-voltage protection, and a trickle charging mode to keep all your devices safe. The Anker PowerCore Essential 20,000 mAh portable charger is a great choice for those on the go, and fits easily into your pocket or bag. It provides plenty of juice to keep your devices running, and for the price, it's one of the best overall portable chargers around for everyday use. Now we'll take a look at the Halo Bolt 58830. Our choice for most versatile portable charger. The Halo Bolt 58830 isn't just another portable charger. It's one of the most versatile portable chargers on the market. At an investment of around $100, this portable charger can be a real lifesaver to have around. This power bank features a 2.4-volt charging output, making it suitable for both Apple and Samsung users. It also offers 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices at the same time. An element that sets it apart from other portable chargers is its 120-volt AC outlet that's available on the right side of the device that works nicely to charge your Mac, PC, phone, or tablet when traveling, or you can even use the Bolt as a backup power source during a storm. If you've ever found yourself in a situation with a dead car battery or a flat, you know just how frustrating it can be. The Bolt 58830 comes with an LED floodlight to help you change a tire on a dark road. It has an internal capacity of 58,830 megawatt hours, which makes it an effective all-in-one car emergency kit. With its included set of jumper cables, the Bolt can actually start your car, boat, motorcycle, or lawnmower. Even if you never use the Bolt 58830 to power up your devices, keeping it in your car for emergencies will give you peace of mind, and it can hold charge for around 12 months, and it even comes with a car charger, so it'll always be ready to go at a moment's notice. With plenty of power for all your devices, options to charge 2 devices simultaneously, an integrated 120-volt AC outlet, combined with the ability to serve as an emergency power system at home or on the road, the Halo Bolt 58830 is without a doubt one of the most versatile portable chargers you can get. Last, we'll be looking at the Aukey Wireless 20,000 mAh, our choice for best wireless portable charger. If you're in the market for a wireless portable charger, the $45 Aukey 20,000 mAh portable charger features quick charge, USB-C, and Qi compatibility. This charger shows that a high-capacity power bank can offer a higher capacity while remaining compact enough to take anywhere you want. There are 4 ways to charge from the Aukey 20,000 mAh power bank. It has a USB-C port that can be used as an output, and there are 2 USB-A ports that can supply either 10-watt or 7.5-watt output, depending on whether you're refueling an Android device or iPhone, and there's also a wireless charging stand. The massive 20,000 mAh capacity, power delivery 3.0 output, and quick charge 3.0 output combine to deliver an optimized charge to your devices at up to 18 watts. So you can charge an iPhone 11 6 times, an iPhone XS or Samsung Galaxy S10 5 times, and over 2.5 times for an iPad mini 5. Plus, its wireless charging stand lets you charge your Qi-compatible devices at up to 10 watts, and also included in the overall design is an integrated kickstand for propping up your smartphone while watching a movie or other content. You'll always know how much power you have on hand thanks to the numeric LED indicator that shows the remaining percentage of battery level at a glance. A dedicated wireless charging indicator ensures correct wireless charging and also lets you know when wireless fast charging is active. As far as capacity and price go, the Aukey 20,000 mAh portable charger is not only a solid portable charger, but has the additional ability to handle wireless charging and a kickstand to prop up your phone for easier viewing. If wireless charging is a must-have, then the Aukey Wireless portable charger is the way to go. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing.